Hey everyone, I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I take you from having no idea how to make money without a boss to growing that idea so that you can live life on your own terms. Not long ago, I came across an article on CNBC that talked about how you can turn $100 into $1 million. I was intrigued and I thought I'd poke around a little bit and see what this thing was all about. I'll throw a link in the description, so if you want to read the full thing, it'll be right there. When I first clicked, I was pretty skeptical. I figured it would be journalistic since it was on CNBC, and it wouldn't be all clickbaity like that crap I get in my sponsored posts on my news feeds. Most of those are just affiliate ads disguised as finance tips, and they would probably actually do you more harm than good. But with this one, I was skeptical whether or not the tips would actually be reasonable. In the article, there are 9 self-made millionaires. They interviewed all of them, and I'll talk about the best tip, the one that's reasonable, and one that's really just kind of stupid. Back to the skepticism on my part. I did realize that after reading this, it's not turn 100 into $1 million instantly, but it's more of turn 100 into $1 million over the course of your lifetime. So let's start at the top, or let's start at the stupid tip. This tip is simply to write an ebook. It's similar to a lot of those make money from home concepts that I've seen out there that give really dumb advice like start a blog or do some affiliate marketing. Now, the reason I think this advice is stupid is that when you write an ebook or you start a blog or you sell any sort of digital product, it's not as easy as write it, sell it, and it goes on autopilot like they claim. It's going to take a lot of work to write the book. And it's going to take a lot more work to promote the book. Now, an ebook can be a great product or tool, but if you're looking to make some money, it's probably not going to be a heavy hitter that you're actually hoping for. Now, the one that's a little bit more reasonable is to invest and improve yourself. Many people, when looking to turn $100 into $1 million, they're looking to start a business or get that hot stock pick. Now, there are plenty of businesses that you can start for about 100 smackers. But really, you're going to have to start really incredibly small and spend way more time than necessary to grow. Instead, use that $100 to buy some books, invest in courses, buy some audiobooks, maybe come up with $149 more and invest in Know to Grow, stuff like that. Now, I love growing with books, and $100 will get you a lot of reading material. And it'll get you even more if you read free books from your local library. Now, the great tip in this article is actually the very last one. It's where the expert advises you to launch a coaching business. Obviously, the reason I like this one is that it's exactly what I'm helping people do with Know to Grow. You have skills, you have passions, and you have talents that other people don't have. Many people want those skills, but they don't know how to acquire them. So why not launch a business that helps them grow while you get paid to teach others the things you already know? Of course, it's a little bit more than, hey, just launch a business. Boom, it's going. And it's especially harder when you don't know what your skills are or you don't know how to turn them into money makers. And that's why I created Know to Grow, where you can discover those skills, learn how to monetize them, and grow a business that allows you to live the life of your dreams without relying on a boss. You can sign up for free at www.knowtogrow.com.